Hello, guys. Tired of recording a voiceover, then painstakingly syncing it to your slides in a separate video editor? In this video, I'll show you how to do it all at once right inside the Murf.Ai studio. First, when you create a new project, here's the key difference. Choose video instead of audio. This changes your entire workspace. Now, instead of just a script editor, you'll see a timeline at the bottom. The first thing you need to do is add your visuals. Click the Add Media button. You can upload images, video clips, or your presentation slides that you've saved as images. Once your first slide is on the timeline, it's time to add the voiceover for that specific slide. Just type your script into the block directly above it. Now, add your second slide. A new script block will appear above it. Write the voiceover for that second slide. You'll continue this process for your entire presentation. Add a slide, then write the script for it. And here's the magic. Murf automatically sets the slide's duration to match the length of your voiceover block. You don't have to manually time anything. The visuals and audio are perfectly synced from the start. You can preview the entire video at any time by clicking the play button on the timeline. When you're happy with the result, just click the export button. Make sure you're exporting it as a video file, like an MP4. You've just created a fully synced video presentation without ever opening a video editor. If this tip streamlines your workflow, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.